Attention, attention. Stop scrolling right now, because the motorcycle you're about to hear about is one most riders completely underestimate. And that's exactly why it's dangerous to ignore. This is not a hype bike, not a spec sheet monster, not a flashy showpiece. But once you understand what this machine really is, you'll realize why riders who know it never let it go. And yes, there's a reveal at the end of this video that explains why the 2026 Yamaha DT 200WR might be one of the most quietly capable motorcycles Yamaha has ever built. So do not skip ahead. Watch this all the way through. This is the 2026 Yamaha DT 200WR. Is the kind of motorcycle that doesn't beg for attention, it earns it. It doesn't scream performance. It whispers confidence, and the riders who understand it, they don't talk much. They just ride farther, harder, and smarter than everyone else. Asterisk at first glance, the DT 200WR looks lean, focused, and almost too simple. No excess bodywork. No unnecessary bulk. No pretending to be something it's not. Everything you see has a job. Tall enough to clear obstacles. Slim enough to slice through tight trails. Balanced enough to feel stable before you even start moving. This bike looks like it's already dirty, and that's a compliment. Asterisk the moment you swing a leg over it, something clicks. The ergonomics don't ask you to adjust. They feel right. The seat lets you move freely. The handlebars fall perfectly into your hands. The foot pegs are exactly where your body expects them to be. This is not a sit-and cruise motorcycle. This is a ride with intent machine. It wants you active, engage, alert. Start the engine, and this is where most people get it wrong. They expect calm. They expect soft. They expect beginner-friendly. What they get instead is sharp, alive, and responsive, but controlled. Engine in the D200WR is tuned for real terrain. Not dyno numbers, not bragging rights. Real riding. Throttle response is immediate without being wild. Mid-range. Pull wakes the bike up when the trail opens. It doesn't surprise you. It responds to you. Asterisk, this is the kind of power delivery that rewards skill. Smooth input equals smooth progress. Lazy riding gets exposed. Good riding gets amplified. And on trails, this bike is in its element. Loose. Dirt. Rocks. Roots. Ruts. Uneven climbs. Off-camber sections dot the DT 200WR doesn't flinch. The suspension works quietly but relentlessly beneath you, absorbing hits while keeping the chassis composed. You feel the ground, but it doesn't punish you. And it's the difference between a bike you tolerate and a bike you trust. Asterisk handling is where the DT 200WR starts. Embarrassing bigger, more powerful machines. It changes direction instantly, corrects mistakes without drama, lets you place the front wheel exactly where you want it. Tight forest trails? No problem. Flowing sections? Even better. This bike feels like it's reading your mind, not fighting your decisions. Asterisk. But here's the part that most clickbait reviews won't tell you. The DT 200WR is not just a trail bike. On connecting roads, rural stretches, and mixed terrain, it stays composed. The engine doesn't feel stress. The chassis doesn't wobble. You're not clinging to the bars waiting to get back. To dirt. You can actually ride it between trails, comfortably. Asterisk, that's where this bike becomes dangerous to bigger machines. Because it doesn't force you to choose. Asterisk weight, or more accurately lack of it, changes everything here. Slow speed control feels effortless. Tight turns don't feel risky. Tip it over, You won't panic. You'll pick it up and keep going. That kind of manageability gives riders confidence, and confidence unlocks exploration. Asterisk comfort is honest, not plush, not soft, purpose-built. The seat supports movement. The riding position keeps your body balanced. You don't feel cramped. You don't feel stretched. You feel ready. Even after long sessions, fatigue doesn't hit the way you expect. Asterisk fuel. Efficiency quietly works in your favor too. Longer rides, fewer stops, less thinking, more riding. When you're deep into trails or far from familiar roads, that matters more than top speed ever will. Asterisk maintenance, simple, straightforward, built to be used. This is not a bike that lives on a charger or in diagnostic mode. This is a bike that gets dirty, gets clean, gets serviced, and goes again. Yamaha engineered it to survive real riding, not showroom floors. Asterisk technology stays where it belongs, in the background. Number. Electronic babysitting. No riding modes trying to correct you. The DT200WR trusts the rider. That's rare now. And powerful? Asterisk brakes are sharp, predictable, and confidence-inspiring, especially on loose surfaces where bad braking can end rides fast. Here, control is always in your hands. Asterisk, so who is the 2026 Yamaha DT200WR really for? Asterisk, it's not for riders chasing numbers. It's not for riders chasing attention. It's for riders who chase feel, asterisk. Riders who want to improve, riders who want control. Riders who want a motorcycle that reacts honestly to skill, asterisk. And now, here's the reveal. I promised at the beginning, the real secret of the DT200WR isn't the engine. It isn't. The suspension, it isn't even the handling. It's trust, asterisk. This bike builds trust faster than almost anything in its class. Trust in traction, trust in balance, trust in your decisions. And once that trust is there, something happens. Your riding changes, you relax, you flow. You go farther, you stop overthinking, asterisk. The D200WR doesn't push you to ride harder. It invites you to ride better. And that's why riders who truly understand this bike don't hype it. They just disappear into the trails and never forget it. This is asterisk, and never ignore the bike. Everyone else underestimates.